So today I'm putting my dishwasher on. So I'm just going to put the tablet in. Like that. Just rinse my hand in the top cover. Right. So the dishwasher is nice and full. Shut that. As you can probably see. Nice full load. And at the top, that's quite full. Spatula there. Cups, pan. That had beetroot in, so we're going to see how that comes out like at the end. Down here I've got curry, mayonnaise, stuff like that. Cake. So we're going to shut the door. Switch it on at the isolator switch. Turn it on to the dishwasher. And press start. And again, need to reset. There we go. Quick drain out. Film now. Handle washing. Tablet's just gone in. I'll be back at the end when it's finished to show you the results.